And the Rebbe says in Sefer Hamid, there's a very, very interesting thing. If a person gives tzedukah with both hands, the Hashem listen to the tefillas. The tefillas werden es kabel. Misha neuesten tzedukah b'shtay yadayim, al day tzedukah b'shtay yadayim, yish met tefillaschu. So you go to the pishke, both hands, put in a nickel, a penny, a dime, well, whatever, what you have, and ask Hashem, I want to be good, I want to be great. The Chazal said, the anoisen prite the tzedukah, b'shvil sheyichye benoi, harai zei tzadi gomer. Agemura, purmo, kedishn, anoisen prite the tzedukah. If a person gives a prite for tzedukah, and he says, I'm giving this prite because my son should be well, he's a tzaddik gomer. So it's the opposite, no? It's not l'shma, no? You give a prite l'zdukah. If a person gives a noise a prite l'zdukah, I don't ask nothing. I give it for God, for Hashem. He's a tzaddik gomer. Why? If a person he gives a prite l'zdukah, betatnai b'shvil, he asks b'shvil because I'm giving this only because I need a yeshiva for my son. So the Heilige Tzadikim, the Choyzer Fleblin, he says, because why is a Tzadik Gomer? Because he's a mena. I give a prite l'zdukah and I believe that now I'm able to ask something. That a person not believing, what? You're giving a prite l'zdukah? What is it? It's nothing. No, I'm giving a prite l'zdukah and I'm believing that now I'm asking God, Hashem, help me. I need a yeshiva for my son. My son is not doing good. I don't know, my kid not doing good. Barachnius, begashmius, if he need a refi shalayim, if he need a refi shalayim, barachnius, you're not putting tefillin, you're not keeping Shabbos. I'm giving a prite l'tzedukah. Hashem, help me. I need a yeshiva. Haraizei tzaddik gomer, because he has a mena. And the Pusik says, the tzaddik b'menusa yichya. What's that tzaddik? A tzaddik, he lives with a mena, with faith. What's a tzaddik? A tzaddik is a simple person like you, like me, like you. Simple person. I'm going to work and I'm driving my car and I have to buy the stuff for my wife and kids. But my mind inside, I'm thinking from God. I'm not lost. Even I have a hard days, things don't go like I'm one. No, I don't lose myself. I'm